Ciao a tutti, I am Tony Allegra. Welcome to Tony's Home. If you want to learn easy, funny and truly Italian recipe, you are in right place. Today I wanted to prepare with you very fast and very good recipe. Pasta with anchovies. What you need? Anchovies, of course. Capers, olive, chili, olive oil extra virgin that come from Puglia, and many spaghetti. If you want to know why many spaghetti, watch until the end. This dish really don't need so much effort. You just have to put all the ingredients inside the pan.
One thing you need to be careful of with this dish is the anchovies and capers. They could make the overall taste too salty. Therefore, do not add any salt in the sauce and rinse the capers under fresh water before adding them. Do not put parsley yet. We will keep it for garnish.
Garlic. Now on the fire, low heat. The sauce is ready when the anchovies are melt. Just off the fire now. The pasta is ready, is al dente. The fire of sauce is off. I put the pasta inside the sauce. Today I prepared the dinner for me and my husband. Is a romantic dinner, but this quantity of pasta is for 4 people. I divide the pasta in 2. Don't use a small pan like me. To use one a little more big. I don't know what I do. Disaster. Ok. Adesso sì che ci siamo. È più facile. Completo il piatto con pepe e prezzemolo. Abbondante. Guardate che bella! I want to try now. Non è buona, è buonissima. You know this. I tell you, fast. Ready?
That was fast indeed, Mom. This is a great recipe for those who are lazy like me. Now, how about a nice dish presentation? Yummy! I hope you and Dad can leave some for me.
Come vi avevo promesso all'inizio del video, questa pasta è stata velocissima da preparare e vi assicuro che è buonissima. Se vi avanza un po' di questa pasta, potete fare una ricetta che sarà ancora più buona della pasta stessa. Cosa possiamo fare? Possiamo friggerla. Adesso io la divido in 2. Una parte io e mio marito ce la mangeremo così com'è e l'altra parte ce la mangeremo fritta. Vi faccio vedere come si fa. By the way, I survived the last video. I ate capsicum and I am here. You have a bear with me for more and more video. Subscribe.
Start at high heat and add the spaghetti in the pan. After 5 minutes, lower the medium heat and gently press with a spatula. If you use a gas stove, rotate the pan 45 degrees off-center every few minutes to have uniform cooking. After 15 minutes, flip the pasta and cook for another 15 minutes.
Non mi fa venire voglia di mangiarvela. Ma sì. È pronta! Volete sapere qual è la cosa più buona di questa versione della pasta? Ve lo faccio sentire. It's crunchy. Which is your favorite version? This or this? Write in comment below. If you like this video, give me a like. If you want to know more Italian recipe, subscribe. Push the belly and don't forget that every day is a sunny day in Tony's home. Ciao! On the fire, low it. No, hit. Eat. Appreciato fuoco.